Ladies and gentlemen, the Premier, the Province of Ontario, Kathleen Wynne, along with Jane Radway. And also introducing to you the Miss Berlin for 2012, Mae Garcia.
I knew I was in the right place because this is a huge dance floor. So it must be a Filipino event. There's going to be music and dancing. It's fantastic. Magandang araw. It's wonderful to be here, and thank you for inviting me. Thank you, Glenn, for that wonderful introduction and for your commitment to working with all communities across the province and in your riding. And Rosalinda, thank you, and Ray, thank you so much for your leadership. It is, you know, community hubs like the Filipino Centre of Toronto are so important to our community, and we are so grateful for the work that you do. I want to just acknowledge Rafi and wish him luck in his nomination. I don't take sides, but I wish you a lot of luck, Rafi. And I want to acknowledge one of our candidates who has put her name on the ballot in Hamilton Centre, Donna Tiki Shabib. Very nice to have you here. So, I am not going to make a long speech, but there are a few things that I really do want to say to you. Glenn has already said how important the Filipino community is to the fabric of our society here in Ontario, and I just want to reinforce that and to thank you for everything that you do. I think it is absolutely appropriate that you are acknowledging entrepreneurs tonight. You are people who have a remarkable record of achievement across all of the endeavors in society. So whether it's business or sports or politics or medicine, caregiving, you are so involved and so absolutely a part of what makes us a strong society. And I'm very proud to be here tonight to be with you to celebrate the inspiring achievements of the people who are being honored tonight.